Alright, so here's the next full wrap we got in for this week. So it's a 2024 Acura Integra, brand new car. I mean, it has 3,000 miles on it. The interior is really nice. It's got red on the inside. It's interesting because the front is cloth on the middle section, but the outside's leather and the rear is entirely leather. But overall, really nice car. Has that new car smell, and we're going with something crazy on this. It's a girl's car, and she's going with a crazy color change. As you guys can see, all those colors in there: blue, purple, orange. You got a little gold. TECKWRAP. So yeah, we got to get started on this thing today, and it's really interesting. How they imprinted the INTEGRA instead of like a badge. I mean, this is the front bumper, but the back has the same thing. So pretty much I'm gonna wrap it as if we're not gonna put anything over it. It's really interesting that they imprinted the INTEGRA on the front bumper, and the same thing is on the rear bumper. And I'm gonna wrap it normally and feed it in there, but she does have an overlay in gloss black, just to make it pop more, instead of it being the same wrap color. So we're doing that on the rear too. And then roof is gonna be gloss black, and here's the rear end. So this trunk is kind of massive because it's all, as you can see, one piece. So because it's a color change and I have to flow it in one direction, I need this measurement from the top to all the way to the bottom of the trunk to be 5 feet, which I think it's close. It's definitely going to be close. And if it's not, then I'm just going to have to put a little seam here by the spoiler, which isn't a big deal because nobody will ever see that. And spoiler comes gloss black from factory, and I think she also has replacement ACURA badges in gloss black. So any chrome on this car, which there isn't really any except those badges, the two ACURA badges, one on the front, one on the back, gonna be gloss black. And then there was I guess it's called an A spec. So there was a badge here and a badge on each fender. So she also has those in gloss black. So yeah, we're gonna get started on this thing. It's gonna be an insane color. So yeah, let's get it.